Okay. So maybe I'll sing a little song first. Spirit of the swan, carry us. Spirit of the swan, carry us home. Spirit of the swan, carry us home to ourselves. So I'm starting the Reiki transmission. Yes, calling to the energy of Mother Earth. This beautiful energy of the trees, the geese, the pond, water. This meditation spot where I've put so much energy for 2 years. Sacred spot. And I pass that energy on to you. Call forth the sun to enliven, brighten your aura. Sparkle like the water. Wishing us all smooth transition, floating effortless like the swans. And let's laugh like the ducks. You can call to the swan as a totem to help us with grace and beauty. And I'm definitely on a maturity journey from the ugly duckling to the graceful swan. There's many videos, some exclusive content on my Patreon, and playlists from 2 years. So I guess I'll put the playlist link too. So let me just finish this Reiki transmission. So I ask you to take a deep breath with me. Big sigh. Oh, it's a big sigh. Feel the sun. And the swans back again. They're definitely amused. I did one video are swans the totem bird for 5D? And yes, they are for me. And, you know, you're on a journey, I'm on a journey, and we're all in this together. We're all in this ascension together.